to refresh your memory because in a second, you're going to be doing it on the draw tool. So right now, we're all going to look at the steps. This is super important in order for you to know how to solve things. Step 1 says to cross multiply. So you take your multiplication sign, you look at this proportion. A proportion is two fractions with an equal sign in between them. Put the multiplication sign, everybody, write this down. Does yours look like that? Now we're going to cross multiply. It doesn't matter where you start. 10 times 6 is 60. It points this way, this is where you're going to write it. Get that equal sign, bring it down. 1.5 times the letter P is just 1.5, and you stick it right next to it because that implies multiplication. All right, I did this step. Now I'm about to do this step. It says isolate the variable by doing the inverse operation. The letter P is stuck to the 1.5. That means it's being multiplied. The opposite, or what undoes multiplication, is division. I'm trying to get 1.5 away from the letter P. So I'm going to divide it away. 1.5 divided by 1.5 is 1. And 1 times P is just letter P. Yes. What I do to one side, I'm already on step 3. What I do to one side of the equal sign, you do to the other side. So I did divide it by 1.5. I'm going to divide this by 1.5. So I'm at the very end here. This is an improper fraction. You take your calculator, everybody. You're going to punch in 60 divided by 1.5. Go ahead, do that. Hopefully, you all got 40. And that is what P should be. It is literally creating equivalent fractions. We have information here. You can then find out what's missing on the second fraction.